Ria kigima mwanchu murigereria ensane yamo yabono magoba litkoneria ijuma sitariki 25 na isato cy'umutinyo 10 mwaka bw'ikiri bubere 25 mwanchu muriango kwarigane bene irinde ngomanye nari yagendeta gwatika kura chinsemo chia Kenya nyara yonsi naboko yabwati agwetera sensemeri emitandao sensemo ya Facebook naboigo YouTube gwetera Soko TV liane Kerubo Frida na balitoko bwatira na soko eneke bna chibicha neliogira gwikera sole asenchira ya benenere Brian Achaka akobwatira na Felicitas Kabendi na boigo Doreen Kemunto Toskale kwira nanda segekeke Kerubo silinde ngomenya manga asenchira yobwikirano Manche murigereria kwarigani bene tosanga sobwa mogo chaka bono iga gwika omoelio ko yachaka mayaye birebiga nigo toko yachaka korwa sorgongorwa gusim asengo kumenya buna amateyo mogaka mukaya nyanchoka ime yekerenyo kia Kinyambi esa location ya Bundo ime wodi ya Bogichora asebunge ya West Mugrango nigo basabire abasamalia na barayiko bakonya kumurusi ngendo nyagosira Teresa Mukaya asogwa kana bill yechi milioni 2.5 maiga yogosiria obugima bwaye asinya gitari ya Tenwek ekero amanetwe engoro murikito Steven Nyarike Mbunde na ikera na sinsemekyo nabo igogotwariganiria roboti rokobwatia
Ekero togoika ase kenyoro gya Kinyambi imeya sublocation ya Bundo ward ya Bogichore bunge ya West Mugrango imeya Nyamira ase family yo mogaka mukaya nyanchoka nigo tokomerana neri yandarine lyabamenyi nabo igwe yamate US nyiru nkento kiera kore maega yechibesa gokina hebir ya nyagitari yogosira ku mwanchu abo Teresa Mukaya w'emyaka 59 asebiri wekabono yaikire shilingi milioni 2.5
amarieta na yonguru kudiuku mosomi iga nigo tole Kinyambi ase enkayo mogaka Peter Mukaya nyanchoka uyu sireirwe no muminoye ukorukwa Teresa Gesare Mukaya Teresa Gesare Mukaya obeire karwarete asege kegetambe lakini uburwaire bwaye bwabo bonene buchakira umutienyo gatano omwaka oyo ekere twanyarete kumoira gochiaria Tenweki akaenda kugweni gwaroro elie keragendere tubugweni umutienyo gatano omongina Teresa akagweni gwaso kugweni gogokorerwa ububari bwenkoro elia akagwena akababuya agachanka asekere kinyasaye na tokonyete tukanyore bitoki tugakana asogwakana epiri yarenge enene naende kerekyo chiarenge emilioni yemo nechimiki anda chilifu
wenigo lakini ndi kanyarekana tabwena kohikiro sirire ono munasirete biri ya tire ya igire 2.5 million ona sesa ulikonyana ndi twarigirie chinde chingaki chamagega twa chandikire twonirie bintu ono munasirire chibesa chitake chiakano mana ko rusu moja litomarende 2.5 million
ndiyo mono nche marieta nengor kupita Mukaya nyanchoka no buone oyo sirete no mongino no bera kurwara matuko no yo minta bereza kuruo mwako uligoja goja ora bera kurwara one kurwara kwa egwate ko sakorrekana ujakiro mutinyo gatano tweze kumanya nange nakikurwa kwa ekore igara konyeto konye kumugweni bintu tamanyeti akacha kwanda okore sache ko maene na sinyirwege ntongo kora timbo atincherende yonse kibes twabere tukurigia twaonire bintu mu kitwakore bona tutigarite igo goja koeni umungino urionega na jentu arobole muna abana bae batwarobole muna mamu abojire niekere mura mbato koboko nani nankurwasora ekimuranje nkonye
nanja sama ye trampoli ni Kerubo anonga oyo sirete mama kulingana buna mwaigure mama waire kago chandeka no borwaire bwenkoro wabere to kumushugurikera twaonirikere gento tobwati mutu tobwati magega ase ng'encho twetiganire kuri chibesa tumugwenderi kuri ndi yaikire bono twikiirwo mweri
ira Teresa Mukaya huyo manetu asenkoro nigo konyora family yoniri kiregento inse yo mwako yomo ase konyora abatumikire emilioni ya mono gutakianda asogwakanera oburwari bwaye asebone family yatigaire tabwati kende na gutwara maboringa ndireri baramweni omwanchobo
Samaria tangoro ku Janet Mukaya oyo sirete mamu muntu gatosirete gafura atukwa na plan yange kufa egento tware gusaba abantu baminto abarai abasani abantu ensi yonsi abaina abasani hakito kore na motokonya moto toro musigo yo tubwate no morito
nigekerekie family iga yasabire abasamari nabo igo abarai aho kubakonya iri kumurusia engendu iri gutwara matanga
atomoyo bugwanja na endo okuniru neringa neri nigo twaboriri nga koranje enamba nereye 0711350850 amaliete koreta akor ku Dennis Mukaya
Steven Nyarike Mude Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira.
No sana mulikitu Steven Nyarike Mbunde asogo twaliganiria oroboti oru oskabusio manchu muligereria omo MCA omochole ase wadi yekerenyo muske Jeremia Ongaro nigeso kirerero na gwakira omwaki chikura mbuya mono ase okomochora kakwana imya Nyamira nigo Ongaro aenikiribuna na chegokorera abamenya abwe egasi na gusaba bonsi bachichamo elio baske bosio
Anengoro ku Jeremia Njengo Ngaro omomenyi naendo iboretwe ase boisanga gesura ekerenyo aiga nona iboretu gosoma jisukuru chage kendo na kea na gekendo ane gachake gasi ya serikali gwakorete paka ingakie na ina deciding atigambe esobo oburai oboiga nyuma yoko baso oburai yebije kanisa ko oburai we tea factory no burai bonde tuabeire a bonde bore obwa chiki familia wikastwa ikirega baminto bekerenya saba ise naende mbiamo no soko ngari baga esego bakorere gasi uno mo MCO ino asenga kieye yogochakira rero itarike mangoberna isa naisato na kogenderera paka 2027 naende kurwabu murarengere ngiyo jikoba lakini bono nyerwe taso kobwatrana ebe nabana baitu be skuru baribe birasi byanse birasi ya primary na second na junior secondary naende tubwatrane asokoreta abangane byasara amo sabantu baitu bana bekerenyo bantu baitu baikonge ebe noboremi asokubwatrane semo yoboremi ende nyako tugukwana ase kaagwa buna yachakire ko bengia na gukokora obo chorori naende asensemo ya yechai ase bintu na pia ntubwate nsemo ya mabere tunyako batuko ya include asogo ase koreta abantu baito ase kobeka besa so mofuko tarigo ryoka buna na ase kemerikia kia matoke ekemerikia mananasi ekemeri oro in cruise fase binte bion brother esege yarengengo by parameters the highest tag was there by parameters of all standards lakini omuikonya sai gore ndita abantu paka nyore mbono iga abantu mbare chiseri aiga kwende kerenyo abantu mbare chiseri abantu basumbogitese asengencho abantu kanya bagurire bigogwa bakonyako bakurwania abantu lakini ekyo tona airire Jeremia na yuta kwa morembe and when you are aggravated in whichever way please come and
Omwajento monene ase United Opposition ase wodi yekerenyo muske Isaac Atebe nigaesokire na koraga bakongo chibura buru chichebete chikwene kigwa abuli tkoligoro na gusaba omorembe obaroro nabamenye bachichamo na gutiga obubisa nigairaniri mbiamono guchasaba ki chikura asogochora aba MCA abo balenge inse yo muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i na kwene kibuna ene nkwana batemire gocha amo ose omugusi atemire gocha amo inse yobomo obomugusi
mubumu gusi bulikonye tugukwanira gwachakire kororekana abantu baiminto igo mwasogete isuku mugatiga chibesa chiare gutara chipara mugatiga ebintu ebingi mware gotebu mware ngainwa mugachamo muka chikura abantu bali ensemo ya United Opposition lakini mono guchose byama biria birengeto mugusi kama kiabo upa ase Ekerenyo na Nyamaya yairete na PDP ase Nyanshongo yairete oyo nomo choko omuyatu ajakire uchose chikura checho cha 2027 ekiagarantu atebanga tutagete kubekara matiangi ebikoroto agende isuko achikwegulira chisuti twensi pintu atebanga echama tutagetiga usi ne chama ya UDA ose Yellow Movement na inde tuachakira kubaro kinga ntoligo chukwancha echame iyo etwali chinguruga gusi tigegenda guchose kuchikonyora chikura kurwa ikiagra twensi pi twana chire kinanga Ruto one term chikure chiabete igoro nchiatwalite chisegi chinene abantu bakurwani abande paka abande bakanyora amajera awo abande bali chigetari igo nare kwirali bagiri tangani kote bali banyora tamajera pole na inde mbasabere okugwena kuri bwangu ingende bwangu gotebanga ayantwanya kojarora asinyamira na chisegi chikolentwa abantu bakurwani abande asange jichikura yutwata kokikiria manganaya na gotei bali barente chisegi icho bakome mara moja to baza korana indi mangana bunalia abete ikiagera unabono notumugirango chisegi nchiabete asakurukunga magunga nchiabete asakurukunga ikonge nchiabete asakurukunga ubwali abuase abantu baumiete na chigari chigasalibwa
Murai bense Dr. William Ruto ni gagendereire kwegerera omurobelio ye bobochenu chingaki arokanagu yaka egekuba magaye kiama kiaye kogesa ebirogo abya gesiasa abolitko legoro asobochorio boke bwakorekanete okwana chingaki achakya obwagachi bwebara ya Rironi Mau Summit ni gamochia abambirire bae ase ogotatwara emerobelio Morikito Deborah Kirubo norobotioro
Harambe! Harambe!
Murai bwense William Ruto nigagendereire kwegerera omoroberio ye bwobochenu imeyense ya Kenya oyumanyekaine buna sha oyenekire buna nigogotia kubakonya abantu bebirengo byonsi gochora gutaiyo ukwana nerombe y'Abakenya Ruto nigayenekire buna witania Abakenya milioni 52 nigoberikiria somoroberio yosha.
Tumeweka mpango mkubwa, niliwaeleza ya kwamba tutakuwa na mpango ya afya. Wakati nilienda kwa uchaguzi, nyinyi muliniambia nibadilishe mambo ya afya. Afya isiwe haki ya matajiri, watu wako na kazi na watu wako na uwezo. Mulisema mnataka afya iwe haki ya kila Mkenya. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na mimi nawashukuru ya kwamba leo katika taifa letu la Kenya, Wakenya milioni 27.7 tayari wamejisajili kwa SHA, na tunasonga mbele kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna Mkenya atauza mali yake, auze ng'ombe yake, auze shamba yake ati kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Sasa mambo ya gharama ya hospitali tutasimamia kama serikali, tutalipa kupitia kwa SHA na tutakuwa na bima ya kila Mkenya kuhakikisha kwamba tunawashughulikia Wakenya wote.
Gukwana kurwa chinsemo chia Kiambu asacha kebene obwagati bwebara ya rironi wikama summit Ruto nigarolekana ko yakege kuba magegaye kiama kiaye kogese birogo ao biege siasa abolit kuriegoro asobo cholyo boke bwakorekanete imeyense igati yabo ekerogo kyobo seneta county ya Baringo ebirogo byo bunge asense moya Mbere North Banisa amonense moye bunge ya Malava.
Jana tulikuwa na uchaguzi katika taifa letu la Kenya mdogo. Si ndio? Kutoka Mbere mpaka kule Kasipul. Kutoka kule Banisa kupitia Baringo mpaka kufika huko Malava. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Kati ya viti 7, si ndio? Ya ubunge na senate. Yote 7 ilishindwa na broad based government.
Tinga kiechio Ruto nigabarage byara byoko bagosereria bamerere baye asate birebuna nigo bare abantu batabwati miroberenda yonsi kolende gasi yabo no konyagotera marieta yoko magikeria umuwekano one term na Kasongo.
Tell us what your agenda is. Tell us your plan. Tell us your agenda. One term Kasongo must go is not a plan. Is not an agenda. It is about a person. It is about hate. It is about the next election. We are discussing about the next generation.
Omurai wense nonye nabo nigaira chinga kichia bene kubakera mbuya mono abakichikura bonsi bali abesogetie na gwake kura asobo cholyo bwake obubwa korekanese litukorie igoro.
Nataka niwashukuru wa Kenya wote. Wapigaji kura wa kutoka kule Mbere. Wapigaji kura wa kutoka Kasipul. Wapigaji kura kutoka Unguja. Wapigaji kura wa kutoka Baringo. Wale wapigaji kura wa Banisa, wale wapigaji kura wa kule Malava, mimi nawaambia asante sana. Mimi nasema ongera, mumetuhakikishia ya kwamba hamutaki ukabila. Wakenya wametuambia hawana biashara na ukabila, hawana biashara na chuki, hawana biashara na migawanyiko. We want a united nation, a nation that stands together and focuses on the good and the prosperity of every citizen without the limitations of where they come from, their religion or their ethnicity.
Ayani gagocha ekero chikura cho mwaka bwetiri bwibere ne 2025 chiarolekanirie kogenderera kubwatanse kubwatakana no bacholyo bakegwa korekanete ritukuri igoro asebona maisonsi amolekerete kambiria yoko yamereria serikali ya United Opposition guseni ngobaratie koberekie gurube yokoligie kerogo kyoborai bwense edio komwamereria omorai bwense William Samoei Ruto. Deborah Kirubo.
Sasa nishawaambia hawa jamaa wakiendelea na hii tutawazamisha asubuhi na mapema. Hao watu watatembea wakitembea.
Ensoko TV.
Maseneta bwe county ya Nandi Samson Cherargei ni gagokeire obobui ase obochori oboke obobwerete chingaki anekia obobui ni go bwengerete broad based government okwana ni ganekia bana ni serikali eroberete wekirano bosi bobochori obonene ase nonya nabo ni gagikeria bali batemete goturbani obochori obwe.
Harambe! Harambe!
Thank you. From the onset, I want to congratulate all the winners of yesterday's by-elections across the country, from parliamentary to wards by-election across the country. One thing is I am happy that majority of the seats, or all of the seats, were won by broad-based government. That is what is important. Of all the 7 parliamentary seats, United Democratic Alliance, UDA, and ODM won all the seats across the country. This is a clear testament that Kenyans have belief and faith in the broad-based government that is led by His Excellency President Dr. William Ruto. As a member of United Democratic Alliance, this is the party to be, and this is a clear testament that in 2027 nothing will change. The president will be re-elected overwhelmingly because our opponents, who are majorly disunited opposition, have never succeeded to sell any serious agenda. The agenda they have been selling is hate, ethnicity, tribal animosity, division across the country. And therefore we are excited as a broad-based government, and it has proved many critics of broad-based and the President William Ruto's government wrong. And I'm surprised that a number of colleagues are saying there is a narrow win. A win is a win in politics. Even if you lose, in politics there is no number 1 or 2 or number 3. Politics, the only winner will be declared. So number 2 is fact I want to appeal to IEBC. I know this is their time, their first time to be in office. This is the first major election they have done across the country. I think the lessons, they should pick those lessons from what transpired yesterday. I hope in future, and I want to encourage Kenyans that our future elections should be devoid of any electoral malpractices, issues of intimidation, blackmail, bribery of voters. I hope the lessons the IEBC, led by the chairman of the commission, Mr. Ekudon, that all these issues that we saw yesterday, the issue of efficiency, we should make it be sure. Another factor, I think our election is still expensive. We must sit as a country and see how we can make our elections less expensive. Anybody, and I want to appeal to IEBC, DPP, and DCI to move with speed and arrest anybody who participated in electoral malpractice. One of the cases is that we saw the former Attorney General, J.B. Muturi, yesterday attacking a voter, and I'm happy media captured the moment. I am surprised and baffled that the police are yet to arrest him. Yet that one was a clear aggravated assault and election malpractices. What we saw in anywhere across the country, be Malava, be Kaspool, be across anywhere, even in awards, the IEBC, the DPP, and DCI must move with speed and ensure anybody who participated in electoral malpractices are brought before the law and they are charged, so that we make our elections as free, fair, and transparent and peaceful. And that is the Gralian call as we prepare for 2027.
Soroboti ururua ya chirarge ni goto kwenyorera libagari ogosoa asumu tumukomoke igoto skatonyegera ngwira ntora segekege kerebosio elinde tobeto gusanga amange.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi
ine asama kiaya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko amaega obugima bwakirari tuko bw'umugusi nigo bware gosirwa n'oboremi rikomera riburga risamura byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo keire ribaga rikyage asinka yomugusi no bonchereria no borokia no bonyanyimbo gose no bwagachi asomoroberio wikyage kyomugusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera ritkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga no mugusi kurwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakwenyorera engere yabo ya kera ritko pomocha
ase miziki yabagaka eli abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiri kuchoga ya rumba naboigo ntukwiba basai aba bakulwa jijenzi emisiki ekogenda bwange bwate chia talaku
le général Dangote anaweka oye mose kunami Ricardo Momo oye mama Dangote
Netaliane Edwin Nyang'au Edwin mwana mboka nzube ya bololo tumerane kila litukulia Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 wika ensa AM
ebagote bango yogose como elio nero gose kabuya maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete seni kia usigete Nsoko TV boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banyasai abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantali ya yoka nonyora matera noena masabo nobori ntunyare koba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotebanga Jumamosi abande batebanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia uweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisho ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni
Omukubyo neritwo abayigenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetira amatera amansu ibibungo naboigo amarandia imegata seni Nsoko TV tuchikumirana keraritwo rya Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 chamambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia munguru naboigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Nsoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Mrna nabalibe chinguru Erikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nyachense Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga Eke Nakige Kos Kiamesa Yamangana Maya Eye Nsoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Manche murieli yango kwaligania asentunda ya kabere chinga kitogenda gusanga ime ya maya Nsoko TV. Oskabusio babwatani ebe kiama gya UDA nigo besokire nabo igoko gokera obobui asobochori oboke obwakorekanete aboigoro okwana Hassan Omar nigo airanire abakichikura mbiamono asayenekire ko enyorera obobui wetere kiama gya UDA abwe birogo 12 ase birogo 70 nekemo.
Convey our gratitude to all those who participated in these elections. We also want to congratulate all those who participated in these elections, the winners from the UDA, the winners from outside the UDA, and those who competed in these various elections for the spirit they all exhibited during the elections. There were 24 contests. UDA participated in 21 across the country. We won 12 of the 21.
Habatani bekiombe kia ilog nigo babwatukire oroboti na kwene kiabuna ekiombe gya IBC nigo gya kolirie buya asobochori oboke no nyamaiga ye chiburaburu kwene kigwa ase chinsemo nabo igo gotwara omuchando which machine okwana nigo babolire abanyanyimbo nabo igabo bisaba IEBC koimukie gatambukero kiri chiko asibali babunete lichiko oigo nigo bolia abantu gosomigwa bosi bwobochori asaba na siasa nabo igabarwanelia baboligwa gwetanga kurwa ase ogoturubania obochori.
Ballot box seals were publicly verified and ballots were audibly called out. Disputes were recorded in 10% of polling stations observed, but most were resolved at the station level. Police officers were present in all polling stations when counting commenced.
IEBC must enforce strict compliance with assisted voting procedures, including the mandatory administration and documentation of the oath of secrecy in all applicable cases, and must take decisive corrective action against any official found to have facilitated breaches of.
Umugabana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigaikira na bosi we committee ya Senate ya Public Accounts igoro yo butumikyo bobebwe kibesa chingaki cyo gusangireria ebango okwana bosi obwe committee yo Sakaja nigo ayegerera nakoyani kebuna mbaruete a license elio gusangireria enibo yabo ase kampuni eyemo.
Governor, who owns Nairobi Pay? This is software as a service. Now we've contracted. This was a technical support framework. It's a government system. That time it was ICTA. We have now further done our full contract beyond a technical support framework through the national government, through the ministry.
So how much do we pay as Nairobians for this system? Because here it doesn't even say. It says a revenue share model.
No, we pay for 4.5%. That is what we pay. For administration, for running the software, for updating it, for that as a system.
We pay to who?
Now we've contracted Konza. How much are they? Who? Konza Technopolis. So ICT authority, the Ministry of ICT said they are better to domicile it at Konza. The contract we have now is with Konza Technopolis, and that contract we can avail. So it's still an entity under the national government, but the 4.5% is what is paid to them to run the software as a service. Auditor, we know now who owns Nairobi Pay. Okay. So even the intellectual property rights, we know who owns the Nairobi Pay. That wealth has never been collected in the history of devolution by Nairobi or by any county. Chair, in the year under review, we created what we call a unified business permit. Previously, you would go get fire on its own. You go to Tomboya, you come to City Hall, you get advertising, you get food handlers, you get 6 different licenses. And a business would have 6 licenses on the wall. They have all been consolidated into one license called the Unified Business Permit. The Unified Business Permit has fire, has food handlers, has advertising, has pest control, all in one.
The revenue potential is 63 billion for Nairobi City County under CRA, and you were sharp enough to develop simulations, especially during the formula, the 3rd generation formula.
Yes.
But I can see you are doing badly. You are collecting 12 billion only.
Mwanchu muligereria kurwa soroboti oroni ona ikiro moeli oboku mulikera mangana maya asebire biga tumira ne chinsa sato astora veto gusanga amangelia ne Kerubo Frida.